that was a mistake.
Sorry, Luca. You have to stay home today. Can I just say how happy I am to have you guys all up this early to go somewhere?
We love you because it's very painful.
I'm hungry. Oh dear.
Oh, where's my coffee?
Oh my gosh.
I left my coffee.
Wekiva Springs is one of Florida's hidden gems. Freshwater springs feed the Wekiva River. The crystal clear water is a cool 72 degrees year-round. It's an old-fashioned swimming hole right in Central Florida, but it draws crowds, so frequently looks like this.
Hey, I look like Tony Stark.
Yes. Why, yes, you do.
Man, I missed that on video. Oh. Okay.
Wow,
You're okay.
big ankle
He's
twist.
out for the day. He's out for the day.
Stop. Big ankle twist. That stupid rock was
That stupid ground. Darn that ground.
The weather was perfect, so we wanted to enjoy the springs too. And the best way to do that and avoid most of the crowds is to take kayaks down the river.
I'm good, I think. Hey.
So Claire, is the plan that Christian does all your work and John does all my work and we video?
See the turtles' heads over there? You can kind of see their shells too.
Well, straight is the river.
We go that way?
You're heading straight out of turtle.
Oh no!
The canoes might have been too heavy, huh?
What?
That's a gator.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. What is it?
That's an owl, dear.
Loudest owl I've ever heard. That's a gator. That's gotta be a gator.
It's gotta be a gator talking to us.
This is what it is now.
That's the jumping tree?
Yeah, it was.
Baby alligator up there where all this before.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Thank you.
Where do you see it?
You don't see it? It's laying across like this.
Oh, I see it. Push up the log.
Let's go back.
You don't appear to be going anywhere.
Though it is beautiful, it can get hot and buggy in the summer. So make sure to bring bug spray. Uh-oh. Oh, this isn't good. Uh-oh. Okay.
I think I have it.
No, you don't have it, dear. This isn't good. Back up.
Okay, that was a mistake. Let me higher up on the other side of the mountain.
Hey.
You're trapped.
Are you getting in? We're just gonna be here for a little bit.
The water feels so nice. You should get in, Claire.
Nice.
I'm good. Right
Wait, you used to come back here?
Yeah.
Okay, how do I show the table? There's gotta be a trick.
We're approaching Wekiva Island, where you can also rent canoes and kayaks, or just spend the day here as your base camp. Watch out for gators, though.
Okay, can you do what they did?
Right under those two. We're doing it. Yeah.
We should probably start turning around like